Hey everyone, welcome back to Code Throw. In this video, we're going to be going over the new limited time free asset that's available until December 2nd, 10 a.m. Eastern time. So let's go ahead and check these out. So I'm going to click on limited time free on the left over here, zoom in a bit so it's more readable for you guys. And now we have the matte painting skybox. Looks very chaotic. Kind of reminds me of Stranger Things a little bit in the underworld or the upside down. And also very cool, very HD looking. And then we also have Lake Town by Erhan Yilmaz. And let's see. So it does, this is a little weird to me because Unreal Engine is giving us free assets, but it's only going up to 5.4. I'm hoping these creators are still around. This one's to 5.6, so this is good. And then we have the futuristic cyber warrior. Let's go ahead and check this out. I'm sure this is going to be rigged to UE4 mannequin. Okay, yeah, so Epic Skeleton has some additional bones rigged with the Epic Skeleton. And this is only up to Unreal Engine 5.4 as well. A little weird, but let's go ahead and just import these and check these out. All right, so now that these are imported, I'm going to start with the skybox. And holy moly, look at this. The clouds are moving quick. This is kind of like, oh, there's also terrain. This is kind of like the world is about to end and it's still sunny and nice out. Like this looks crazy to me. The clouds are moving really quick on this, but this overall looks really nice. Let's check out the other terrains. There are different levels. I'm guessing it's to showcase different skyboxes. And this is in terrain 3. So this is another skybox, a lot more blue, looks very stormy. And it does come with some terrain models, which looks really sick. So you can see how in the distance things kind of fog out. We have some cool sun rays going across the map and shining on the ground from the clouds. And wow, overall, really, really cool looking asset. So pretty much similar colors, but this skybox has this giant thing up here, kind of like its own storm right in the center. And yeah, overall, these do look really sick. I am loving how these look. Kind of giving me Final Fantasy vibes. Let's go ahead and check out the next asset. So I've gone ahead and opened up the Lake Town map, which looks really, really cool. Very vibey, very snowy, pretty perfect timing for Christmas, I guess. But yeah, a lot of snow, very icy looking water, lots of boats, looking like everyone's living on a pier. Very nice wooden themed houses, a little bit old school, looking like 1700s, 1600s vibes. And then the houses itself, oh, they are not modular. Yeah, so not modular as in like you can't really go inside and do anything. Okay, yeah, they are not modular. It's just a full piece over here. But you can make a really cool environment and just have NPCs kind of hang out outside if these are not going to be usable. And then, of course, insert like your own kit bash and have like an inn you can go inside of. But overall, really cool vibes, looking like old town, old school looking London. And yeah, let's go ahead and check out the next asset. All right, so this is the futuristic warrior. So pretty cool model. Oh my God. Okay, so yeah, it's a cool model, but that head looks weirdly tiny. Like this head doesn't fit this massive upscaled body. But I guess that's fine. That's just a personal thing. It looks really, I can't take it seriously. This looks really goofy. This looks really funny, but oh man, that sucks. I would imagine him to have like some sort of high pitch falsetto voice and just like a really unexpected pitch. But overall, we do have quite a few animations, and it is a modular character. As you can see, all the parts are split up back here. So you can add them as equipment and show some sort of progression. You can see the character. What the heck is that? Okay. So you can see the character with different hairstyles, different armor pieces. And yeah, so pretty cool model. And he has a giant hammer. Okay. And some additional animations with these ring things coming out of him. Like a 2D image that's kind of stuck on him. So it does look really awkward. But yeah, overall, pretty cool asset. Thanks for watching Code Throw. That covers our free assets for the next 2 weeks. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment below, and see you next. I'll see you next video. Thanks for watching.